Hi guys, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how you can kind of maneuver around ItsLearning. I'm changing how I'm going to set up the lessons. Rather than putting everything on one page, I'm putting something together called a playlist. So this way I'm going to show you exactly how you can see if you've done all the assignments for the week. It's very easy. So this is kind of what your homepage, actually it's a 6th grade homepage, 7th and 8th grade looks a little bit different. I'm trying to mess around with putting a picture up here and it's not working very well for me. All right, let me make sure I'm in student view. So I'm seeing right now what you should be seeing. First of all, any questions at any time, send me an email, or if you're on ItsLearning and have questions, click on this and send me a quick text. If you click on this, it'll pop up right away, all my messages. So it's really easy to see. And it's easy. I'll respond to you really fast that way too. So that's kind of nice. All right. So we already did week 1, hopefully. A couple of you still have to complete week 1, and that'll be up until next Monday. So I will change this due date here to Monday. I kind of left it open just for the heck of it for the first week just to see what's going to happen. But that way, when this closes on week 2, at the end of week 2, because that's also due on the 27th, you'll only see 1 week up here. And I'm numbering these week 1, 2, 3, so forth, because this is a new quarter. And I know some of you that have seen the packets. They're starting on, I think, week 5 or 6, because that's the number of weeks we've been out of school. But the dates will always be on here. I'm just doing weeks starting with this past week, beginning of quarter 4. All right, so this is what you're going to see. You're going to click on Show More. And here are all of your assignments. But rather than look through it like this, I'm going to have you go through this, which is called a playlist. So if you click on Start, this will only allow you to look at one piece at a time. I think it's better organized and looks a lot better, and it's easier to follow this way. So your assignment will start here when you see this in real life, and there will be actually a little video right here, and that's what I'm creating for you right now. So here's how you kind of work through your playlist. This is to go backwards, to go forward. So go back to the previous one, click on there, click on all resources. You know that you're done when you've seen this, you've seen this, you've seen this, and you've seen this. You kind of go through all 4 of those resources. So, and then to close out this plan, click on X. So it just kind of makes it a little bit better organized. So here's the second thing you're going to do. You're going to interact with classmates on Padlet. Hopefully you made your Padlet from your video from, or your whatever, PowerPoint, whatever you did from last week, and you posted it to Padlet. If you did not do that, you need to get that done and get it up on Padlet, please. Consider doing a video if you didn't make one yet, because I think that's a little bit more creative and interesting, and I've got some people who do some really creative stuff. But your assignment for this week is get back on that Padlet, take a look at the comments that I've made, and also make comments to your classmates. I think that this assignment would be I think when we do stuff on Padlets, it's going to be a little bit more interesting and fun if you're interacting with your peers. So try to one-up them. Add pictures, do a video, try to make something cooler than what you did the last week. If you're working on computers, you really have a lot of resources available to you, and it'd be kind of cool to see what kinds of stuff you can come up with. So your first assignment, again, is to go back onto your class Padlet, look at what other people did, and make positive comments. Now, I'm not looking for comments like, I liked your presentation. I'm looking for comments like, I didn't know you baked. I love making chocolate chips from scratch. They're the best. Something personal about them, maybe interaction, connection, or whatever. I think with this time of distance learning, it's really important to feel connected to others. So that's something that you're going to do today or this week. The second thing you're going to do, and the next resource, is this Wellness Tic Tac Toe. You are going to choose 3 activities. They do not need to be Tic Tac Toe in a row, but that would be nice. But just pick 3. And then, so read what the instructions are, and then this is what the evidence is. If you have issues with taking photos or, I don't know, other technology issues, whatever, you can kind of work around that. You can let me know. But this evidence is, as long as I have some kind of evidence that you did it, that's all I'm really looking for. Again, I'd love for you guys to be creative, but some kind of evidence is all that really matters. So sending like a quick reflection about it, what you felt about it, how you felt after, anything like that. So this is the worksheet you're going to do to decide what you're going to do, and then this is how you're going to show me the evidence that you did it. And this is the last assignment. You're going to click on Answer Assignment. And then you can either type in right here, you can add files, so you can add pictures, you can put together a PowerPoint presentation separately and submit it, pull it in here and submit it. If you click on Add Files, you can get it off of your OneDrive. So if you did something on, I don't know, PowerPoint on Office 360, it's easy to find. And then files, this is from your actual computer. So if you created a video and you saved it to your computer or to your phone, you can pull it off from there. All right, and then when you are finished, you'll click on Submit. Now let's say you get started with this assignment, but you get sidetracked, you have to stop, you're not finished with it. Click on Save as a Draft, and then you can come back here and continue answering later. Don't click Submit until you're finished. When you're completely finished, you're happy with it, click on Submit, and then you will actually grade yourself. So let me see if it'll actually let me see if I click Submit the sample. All right, so you can tell that it was submitted and when it was submitted, and then I can see that it was submitted as well. Now you're going to click on Assess Yourself and look at your work. Say, I did a really good job. I deserve an A. I obviously wrote one word. I for sure deserve an E. So click on that to grade yourself and click on Save. And you can make comments there too. You can even tell me, you know what, I probably could have done better, but I ran out of time. Give me some explanation of why it's not your best work. So that's your assignment for today. Again, you can tell, or not today, I keep saying today, I'm sorry, for this week. You can tell that you're finished if there's nowhere else to go. And again, if you click on Show All the Resources, yep, been there, and been there. Not sure, you can always go back and take a quick look. Make sure you have seen everything. All right, good luck, guys. Bye.